So I had a shake with the Jeep. It was kind of minor. It seemed like it was tie rod ends, so we ordered tie rod ends and a drag link. Ended up, we did have ball joints already, so might as well, since everything's apart, replace some brakes, pads. So rotors, pads, tie rod, and the drag link, and we were going to replace ball joints. So as you can see here, it's already apart, axle's out, and I had to pull the actual hub from the actual knuckle itself in order to pull it. As you can see in here, it's really corroded. So we're gonna clean that up. And then looking in here, this ball joint is just bad. And the uppers won't even move. So the lower has gone bad, and the upper's just shot. Won't even budge, which is bad. And on the other side, the same thing. It won't move. The lower is just done. Had to do the same, pull the actual hub off and pull it apart from the knuckle itself. As you can see in here, really corroded. This Jeep was originally in Hawaii, so it's expected with the sea salt, but it is absolutely terrible. So I gotta clean all that up before it even goes back together. So it's gonna be fun.